Data science is all about the data and science. Data meaning information. Information can be anything. Your personal information, it could be your health information, it could be your income information, it could be your business information, like that. And the science is your logic, your capability, your ability to think, your knowledge. So on any information, you can apply your science and predict the results and make better decisions. Collecting data, cleaning data, finding patterns, making predictions, and helping in decision making. Data science is the art of turning your data into useful insights so that you can make decision on top of it. If I give you one line definition what a data science is a process of using data, understand the things and make better decisions. Data science also combines math and statistics, specialized programming, advanced analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning with specific subject matter expertise to uncover actionable insights hidden in your business data. And these insights can be guide you to make better decisions and strategic planning. Data science is all about collect data, understand it, find useful insights and make better decisions. Let's understand with a very simple example. Suppose a person near your house have a tea stall, very small tea stall, and he used to sell a cup of tea to the customer, those who visited there, and he noted down all the sales every day in his notebook. After 6 months, when he sat with his notebook, that is what his data are, and find some patterns. What they have find? They find more people coming in the morning. People buy more cutting chai in the winter. On rainy days, his sales increase. So what does he do next? Start making more tea in the morning and preparing extra stock in winter and keep snacks ready in rain. So in this scenario, what tea stall owner does. He predicts by looking the data what he has been noted since last 6 months. He apply his logic, his knowledge, his understanding power. That means science. They have applied science and find the patterns. When, in which season, what time customers come more and when we should ready for the stock to sell more cup of tea to them so that we will be beneficiary. So this is what a data science is. I will give you another example that companies like Netflix or Amazon or Flipkart, what they do. You are going to purchase a product online. The company will observe your behavior and recommend what do you want buy next. So he recommended the product before you. On the basis of science they have applied over your data. That is what a data science is. And what data scientists is actually do. They collecting the data, no matter it collects from any app, from any website or any browser. Second, cleaning the data. If there is any error available in that data, using tools like Python or Power BI because they have transformation method or Tableau. They also have Tableau Prep to transform your data error free and then analyze the data. After that, build models. Models will predict the future and then finally give insights so that you have a better decision on top of it. And what tools they are using? They are using Python, Excel, Power BI, some visualization tool like Tableau, machine learning and statistics. So in order to understand what data science is, you need to understand your logic and some statistics about the linear progression or the forecast. And what data analyst is? Data analyst is also collecting the data from any of the external sources. Based on that, they find actionable insight. So here data analyst totally depends on what happened. That means the past data, and this is a very simple role of data analyst, but the data scientist is the advance of data analyst because data scientist based on the past data he conclude the result and predict the future, meaning what will happen next. I recommend you start your job with data analyst because it is very easy to get quick job, and then move to data scientist. Data scientist is an advanced level of data analyst. Data analyst is thinking all about the past data, but the data scientist predict the future of your business. It will forecast what will do next. If I go overall in one line of data definition, then I would say data science is the process of turning your raw data into a meaningful insight and predict the future result so that you can have a better or smart decision on top of it. So start being a data analyst first, then move to data scientist. If you want to be a data scientist, then you have to be data analyst first, then move to the data scientist. And the main difference is data analyst is all about what happened and data scientist is what will happen. If you find this video useful and explanatory, please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and share this video whomsoever you know and stay updated with this channel. Bye bye.